Hello everyone, it's Naturally Cookie here with another soul food video. Today I'll be making pulled barbecue chicken. Alright, so I have a pot on the stove here with 1 cup of water, and I've already brought that to a boil. I have some boneless, skinless chicken thighs that I have already washed off, and they are sitting there in that bowl there. Some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I have 1 Vidalia onion that I have sliced, and I have my plate of seasonings. Here I have parsley, I have some all nature's seasoning, I have some minced garlic, some onion powder, I have some dried vegetable flakes, I have garlic powder, and some parsley flakes. Alright, first I'm going to add my seasonings to my pot. I'm going to add my onions. And I'm going to give that a nice stir. There was also 1 chicken bouillon cube. I also had 1 chicken bouillon cube in that seasoning, on that plate of seasoning. Alright, next I'm going to add my boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Going to reduce the heat down to 3 on my stove, and I'm going to cover it. I'll be back in about 30 to 45 minutes. Going to let that slowly cook. Okay everyone, it's been about 30 minutes. I'm going to uncover my chicken. Alright. Next, I'm going to take a fork and a butter knife, and I'm going to start to pull my chicken apart. I'll be right back. Alright you guys, so this is how my chicken is looking after I've pulled it apart. I left about 1/4 cup of that chicken broth that cooked. I left that juice in the pot there. I poured the rest of it out, so I only used 1/4 cup of the chicken broth juice that was in the pot, and I discarded the rest and pulled my chicken apart. And you can either leave it like this, or you can add your barbecue sauce. I'm going to go ahead and add my barbecue sauce, and I'm going to let that cook for an additional about 5 minutes. I'll be back after I add the barbecue sauce. Alright you guys, this is how it is looking. Barbecue pulled chicken. I got some steak fries going on there. I'll be back when the plate is complete. Hey, hey, hey. So you made it to the end of my video. Hey, just want to say, what are you waiting on? If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go on ahead and subscribe. I know you like what you heard, so go on ahead and hit that thumbs up button too. And while you at it, hit that notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. It's okay. Go on ahead and share with your family and friends too. Hey, I appreciate the love. And for making it all the way to the end, I just want to say, I appreciate you. I truly do. I appreciate you. I truly do. Hey. Till next time, stay blessed, y'all.